So I'll be showing you how you can fix low headphone volume on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these same instructions can be able to be applied on other iPhone models as well. So the first thing you want to do is increase the volume using the side buttons. Now, sometimes this might not increase or reduce the media volume, it increases the ringer volume. So if you go to settings, and under settings go to sounds and haptics. Under sound and haptics, make sure this is turned off, change with buttons, because this is basically allowing the ringtone and alert volume to be adjusted using the buttons. So if you turn that off, and then now when you use the side buttons to try and increase volume, you're sure it's trying to increase the media volume. So that's one of the things you can try. Secondly, still under sounds and haptics, tap on headphone safety, and then you want to turn this volume all the way up. It might be somewhere here, and that might be the reason why you're having low headphone volume. So if you increase this to the maximum that you can get away with, you might feel or hear louder volume through your headphones. Now, the third thing you might want to check is on the main settings page, go to accessibility, tap on that. Under accessibility, go to audio/visual, tap on that, and then go to headphone notifications. First, make sure headphone notifications are disabled so that when you have loud volume on your headphones, you don't get notifications that might blast through your ear. Once you've turned that off, you can now go back to the top and tap on headphone accommodations. Make sure that is enabled first, and you want to make sure this is set to strong. It might be on moderate or slight. You want to make sure use this slider and set it to strong under headphone accommodations. You can only do this when this is enabled, okay? And with those three solutions, you should get better headphone quality. Now, if you've tried all those and nothing seems to work, then you might want to look at resetting your headphones. If you have Bluetooth headphones, you might want to do a factory reset. And also, after you do that, you can go to Bluetooth, especially if you have Bluetooth headphones. Try to disconnect and forget, and do the pairing process all over again. Now, by the end of all those, you should have the proper headphone volume through your headphones. Thanks for watching. Let me know which one worked in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in this comment section. Don't forget to share, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe. Good luck.